Okay, guys, welcome back. So, next thing I'm going to do, I'll just come to my file, new, then I'll select 5 inches by 5 inches, then hit create. So, this is how it will look like. So, now we're standing. Here is our file. Where is it? Sorry, I thought I've opened it already. Where is it? Okay, further. Yeah, this is it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'll just drag in our background. This is our main background. So don't worry, I'll be dropping the link in the description. So I'll just come to filter, blur. Yeah, just blur it. Then I'll go to our camera raw. I don't like the way it is, so I just want to make it more darker. So just increase the contrast. Yeah, like this. Then reduce the black. Then the shadow, reduce the shadow. Then I'll just reduce here to this. Then I'll reduce the vibrance too. Saturation and vibrance. So get something like this. Yeah, we'll get something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just come back to my folder. This one, I just drag this up here. Just increase it a little bit. Just increase. I just want to get this feeling of this house, this church. I don't know. Is it church? Yes, if you know what is it, please comment below, because I don't know what I'm actually using. So I just go to my black and white, then hit OK, change to overlay. So this is the feeling that I want. So the next thing, I just come to my lab, just drag, put it here, and then just reduce it. So I'll reduce like this. So the next thing I'm going to hit, I just hit this camera, or let's use this. So let's use this. It's too much, so I'm just going to reduce it to this. So the next on my list is this. To come to this place. Let me zoom out so that I can see it. Then change to soft light, into soft light, then reduce the opacity. So let me zoom in. Yeah, can see that vibe here. Can see that vibe in it. So it will not look just normal background. So the next thing I'm going to do, these are the pictures. So I'll just select these 3 pictures at once. I'll bring it in. It just depends on the kind of posture the person is taking, the picture you are using is taking, and it depends on the quality. You can see how high the quality of these pictures are. So I'll just reduce them. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just arrange them very well. So you can learn from this. You can do your own. So it just depends on what you want. My advice, you just try to do your own to see how beautiful it is. So yeah, a hand is showing, so I just take it like this. But this one is too down, so I just make sure I aligned this. Shift it up a little bit, and then I'll take this to inside small like this. I think I love it. So the next thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to add effect on it, black and white effect. So I've already dropped the preset already, but this is it. How do you add them to your list? You just go to your camera raw. I've already added to this already, but you can see it. You just come to these 3 dots, then load settings, then you go to this. You see this is the name of the preset, so you just click it and click open. But since I already added it, I'll just turn everything on these 3. So I just turn it on like this. This is it. This is for the girl, and this, let me just close, then this. So this is the effect you get. So the next thing, I'm going to select the three pictures, then I'll centralize them like so I can just increase it a little bit. Yeah, I think I love it this way, so I can still reduce it again, then take it down. Yeah, you can see the feeling. Can still shift it down a little bit. It's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, go to my Word, just copy the text, King Tam record. So paste it. It's okay. So the font I'm going to be using is Timo. Let me just check. Sorry about that. More straight, then I'll change everything to capital letter. So just increase a little bit. So I'll change to semi-bold. Semi-bold is too much. Medium. So I just increase the spacing in between. So it will give us this kind of feelings here. So it will give us these feelings. So let me reduce it a little bit. It's too big. 6.4 will be okay. So 6.4, yeah. Shift it up a little bit. Let me still increase the spacing. Yes, I think I love this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll come to this again, still copy this, Ctrl C, go back to my Photoshop, T, then Ctrl V. So that's it. Just paste it, then I'll bring it to this place. It might not show now, but at later on I'll add some effect to it. So the next thing I'm going to do is this further. Copy it, Ctrl C, then you paste it. Further, change, remove it from capital letter because the font you are going to be using. So this you are going to use -50. Increase this very well. So you use Old English. Yeah, that's the name of the font. Old English. Old English. Where is it? Yeah, it's my Old English. Oh, I just saw it just now. Okay, look at it. Old English. Sorry about that. Increase it. So this one now is where you want us to pay much attention to it. So like the way it is now. So I just go to my blending option. Then what's next? I'll come to this emboss. So this is what you get, the normal setting. So try increase the size, the soften, let it be like this. Then you come to this add. You can add, then the size. You can just play around with it, any size you want. Then which other thing? You can see if you click on this this. So this thing. So the highlight of this, I don't want it white. So you can just increase the. Yeah, this is where the highlight is reflecting this highlight here. So you can still play the same thing with the shadow. Just turn on this. If you want to add some effect, you turn on your texture, but I don't need that. So the next thing, I'll just go to my shadow, add small shadow to it. Just do it 127 distance, should be far, then the size should be more. It's okay. So that's how I get this. That's how to get this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just select my pictures. I'll increase it or drag it, shift it up a little bit. So these pictures supposed to be grouped. Control Control G. Sorry. Control G. Then change the name to Pix. So then I'll take it up. So it should be up above this. Then this term should be above them. So this is how you get. This is what you get. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to duplicate this. I'll duplicate the main background, Ctrl J. Then I'll drag it up here. This is how it will come. So the next thing I'm going to do to make it much effective, I just come to this place. I'll add layer mask to it. Then I'll press B on my keyboard to select a brush. So I'll just brush to this place. Ctrl Z. I'll increase my opacity is 2. So I just brush just to get this feeling. You can see. So that's how I get this. So the next thing I'm going to do, this kingdom, you can see the listing is hiding. So I'll just take it up. So that's the vibe. So the last but not the least, or second to the last, is this. Take it here, then try to reduce it. It's too big. Reduce it like so. Yes, so just change overlay, then reduce it too. So let's check it out. This is the effect, but you can see the effect is kind of much on the face, so we'll reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so the next thing is just a color grade, and color grade. To color grade it, so go to our filter, camera raw. Then before that, sorry, I missed one step. Before that, I need to add some lightning to it. Let me hide this. Just create a new layer. Then click on B, then select this color. Can you select any color? Just pick any color of your choice. Then change to anything. You can use screen, you can use overlay, you can use soft light. I think soft light is much more better. So you use it like this. Well, let's try screen and see. Then I'll reduce the opacity. Yeah, I think screen is the best. So I'll still create another layout. Then I'll change this one to red because I need a red effect on it. That's the main thing. B. Just click on it, change it to screen. I'll reduce the opacity still. But I'll reduce it. So that's how I get this effect. So I just select the both, then duplicate them to this place. Yeah, duplicate them to this place. You can see how beautiful it is. So we can go back to our work now. So I add our effect. Then I'll now press Ctrl Shift Alt E. Then color grade now, filter, camera raw. If I like, I just auto, but auto will not be the best, so just add contrast a little bit. Then add black to it because I want this black feeling. Then the white, I'll reduce it. Then this texture, yeah, I need it very well. Then this one, I'll reduce it a little bit. Yeah, same, I'll reduce it. And the next thing I'm going to do, which is this, I need my sharpening very well because of their hair. So I want that feeling, I want that vibe on it. So the effect still want some green on it, then reduce. So yeah, then I can just come to my color grade. I just work on it, anything I want, kind of color I want. then this place, can you just try and work? Yes, it's okay. Yeah, this before, this after, before, after. So guys, thank you for watching. If you know you like what you're seeing, if you learn one or two things, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment on the video. Bye bye. I love you guys.